Life in a wild villa next to a waterfall. Build a 20 meter long fish pond in the forest. In a wild villa next to a waterfall. Today, we're building a 20-meter long fish pond in the forest. This is going to be our 20-meter long fish pond right here in the forest. Can you believe we're building this next to the waterfall? Living in this wild villa next to a waterfall is amazing. Today, I'm working on building a 20-meter long fish pond right here in the forest. So this is a wilding next to a waterfall. Today, we're building a 20-meter long fish pond in the forest. A 20-meter fish pond in the forest next to the waterfall. It's hard work, but so rewarding, clearing all this to make space for the...
We've built next to the waterfall, we've got the filter here, amazing plants, and look at those thriving, living the wild villa life. Life in a wild villa next to a waterfall. We just built this 20-meter long fish pond in the forest. Look at these fish go.